Hi, good morning. This is Arpit Nagaria from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn TBox automation tool, TBox file module. So I will quickly move to Tosca. So basically, TBox file existence module is present in your standard subset beneath TBox automation tool file operation TBox file existence. So I will quickly drag this into my test case. Here I am checking whether the particular PDF file is present in the particular directory or not. So basically you can see the directory attribute and the file name. So I want to check this text file. So I will copy as path and then go to Tosca. Here I will give the directory name and in the file section I will give the file name. So I will run this. So it will check whether the file in a particular directory is present or not. See, my test case got passed and it verifies in the particular directory the file was present. In the log info you can see that actual file value is file exists. This is how you can use TBox file existence module.